We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.